Today, I'm setting up a light stand with a softbox. The softbox doesn't come with a bulb, so for this test, I'm using a regular LED light. The setup is very simple. First, place the stand on the floor and extend it to the height you want. Then attach the softbox on top. It just slides in and locks into place. After that, insert the LED bulb into the socket, and you're ready to go. To finish this part, I'm also preparing the backdrop. Next, I'm moving on to a larger stand set that holds a black fabric backdrop. This set has a height of 2 meters and a width of 2 meters. The fabric itself doesn't come in the package, so I bought it separately. First, I attach the side stands and position them where I want the backdrop to be. Then I connect them using the crossbar, the long metal rod that goes across the top. Once the frame is assembled, I unpack the black fabric. This material is used as a clean background for photos or videos. It's always best to iron it beforehand for a smooth look, but for now I'm skipping that step. In the box, there are strong clips included with the set. I use them to secure the fabric tightly onto the stand, so it stays stretched and doesn't move around. And that's pretty much it. Everything is assembled and ready to use. I'm really satisfied with this purchase, and if you want to order it with a discount, you can find the links in the description.